So you've probably realized by now this is not my usual video, although if I'm being honest, I don't really know if I have a usual video because I kind of feel like all my videos are weird in their own special way. I had to hop on here real quick and give a shout out to one of our lovely Joyful Habits community members because I received a surprise in the mail the other day. A package arrived for me from one of our Joyful Habits friends, and inside, you ready for this? Ta-da! A full set of all the Anne of Green Gables books, which if you've watched literally half of one of my videos, you've probably come to the conclusion that I love Anne of Green Gables, which you would be absolutely correct. I love Anne of Green Gables, the books, and the 1985 series. So yes, I like Anne of Green Gables, but I don't actually own... I'm sorry, it's very early in the morning and I'm kind of like still sleeping on the inside. So bear with me here. I don't actually own the full set of Anne of Green Gables books. I only have Anne of Green Gables, the first book, and Anne of the Island. Very, very, very excited to have the full set. And I mean, look at the box it's in. Look at the... I'm very excited. This is just gorgeous. I put it right on my bedside table and have it displayed now. And I know I'll be spending a lot of lovely, lovely summer afternoons outside, preferably on a blanket, under a tree or somewhere. Again, it's early, okay? I'm sorry. I know I'm like fumbling over my words. Ugh. This is not all that was in the package. So not only do we have the full, and I'll try to give you guys, maybe I'll take some like separate shots so you can see the close-ups and everything. This is such a gorgeous set. I'm trying to hold very still because the bench I'm on is very squeaky. So like if I shift my body weight even the slightest bit, it's like which I know nobody wants to hear. But it's hard because I'm a very like animated talker. When I talk, I like to be flailing arms and moving and like dancing around. So I'm talking about something I'm very excited about, but I'm also like trying to hold still. So this video is a mess. I honestly don't even know. I'm like, should I even post this? I don't know. This is what happens when I try to film a video 20 minutes after I wake up. So probably won't be making a habit of this, or we will. I don't know. Are you enjoying this? If you are, then maybe I'll swap my filming schedule around. We'll see. Anyway, this is not the only thing that was in the package with this beautiful book set. There was also, there goes my hair. There goes lots of my hair. Oh my God. You see how well this is going right now? Hair's falling out, squeaky bench. I'm freaking fumbling over my words. We're gonna get through this, okay? Oh, I just dropped the bobby pin. I found the bobby pin. Come on. Now, if I wasn't filming today, I would have a perfect hair day. So the other thing that was in this package with the books was this beautiful bookmark. Look at this thing. It's gorgeous. I'll do other shots to show you because this is not going to do it justice, but this is such a beautiful bookmark and it's far more intricate than the ones I just made. It's got this beautiful tassel with the bead. She's got some lace layered in there, some butterflies. She put some quotes from Anne of Green Gables, which of course you know I love. And yeah, I'm very happy with this bookmark. I've been using this as well. And then we're not done yet. She also included this beautiful homemade card. Look at this thing. And there's a lovely little handwritten note in here. And then she also included another little handwritten note, which I'm an old soul, okay? I like the handwritten notes. It just, oh, okay, I can't pat my chest. I have a mic on. It gets me right here. It gets me in the heart, you know? Sorry, my video stopped recording for some reason. I'm not sure why. But yeah, needless to say, I was completely blown away by the kindness and thoughtfulness of this lovely person. And I could tell this package was put together with a lot of care and that, you know, every piece was very thoughtful and purposeful. It really touched me and I thought that this lovely gesture deserved recognition. So I wanted to come on here and give her a little shout out. My whole life, I've always loved doing little thoughtful gestures like this for people, whether it be homemade gifts or, you know, sending my nieces coded messages with a decoder so they can be, you know, spies or a detective, making a Christmas scavenger hunt for someone to find their final big gift on Christmas morning, you know, whatever it be. I've just really enjoyed doing things like that for people because it's fun, and it's fun to see the people we care about happy. So it's really fun being on the receiving end of it. You know, here I am on the receiving end, and I'm just really, really touched. Friend, I just want to say I am so honored that my videos have impacted your life in such a positive way, and that you would then feel inspired to send some of that positivity back my way, because it's really incredible. Your thoughtful gesture has really inspired and motivated me to keep creating. And, you know, I may not be a huge channel, but, you know, even if I'm just putting a few smiles on a few faces and impacting lives like yours, I think that makes it all worth it. So thank you again and again for your very, very kind gesture, because it truly means a lot to me. So thank you. Well, friends, I should get going, but I hope this has inspired you to spread kindness, spread joy, and put a smile on someone's face today, because this person has certainly put a smile on mine. And as always, my name is Bethany, and this is Joyful Habits, where we daydream and add a touch of whimsy to the ordinary. I'll see you all very soon, and until then, keep smiling. Bye, friends.